Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a common issue many homeowners face: excess humidity. If you've noticed mold, musty odors, or dampness in your home, you're not alone. These problems can lead to health concerns and structural damage. But fear not. We have a solution: the AprilAire E100 Pro Dehumidifier Bundle. This powerful unit is designed to tackle humidity head-on, providing relief for your entire home. Whether it's crawl spaces, basements, or commercial properties, this dehumidifier can cover it all. With a 100 pint capacity, it effectively removes excess moisture from spaces up to 5,500 square feet. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive solution to your humidity woes, you've come to the right place. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the AprilAire E100. First off, its 100 pint capacity means it can handle significant moisture removal, making it ideal for larger spaces. It comes as a complete kit, ensuring you have everything you need for installation right out of the box. This dehumidifier isn't just for homes. It's also perfect for commercial environments and can fit seamlessly into your crawl space or basement. So who is this product best suited for? Homeowners dealing with dampness in their basements or crawl spaces will definitely appreciate the benefits. Commercial property owners can also benefit greatly, ensuring a healthy environment for their tenants or employees. If moisture is an issue in your home or business, the AprilAire E100 is a great choice. Now, you might be wondering about the installation process. Thankfully, this unit is designed for easy installation. The complete kit comes with everything you need, and with some basic tools, you can set it up quickly. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. Let's talk about performance. Based on real-life tests, the AprilAire E100 has been shown to effectively reduce humidity levels, helping to create a healthier living environment. Users have reported that it runs efficiently and quietly, allowing you to go about your daily life without interruption. Energy efficiency is a major bonus with this unit. It's designed to minimize energy usage while maximizing moisture removal. That means you can tackle humidity without worrying about skyrocketing utility bills. Over time, you could see real savings, making it a smart investment for your home. Another fantastic aspect of the AprilAire E100 is its 5-year warranty. This generous warranty reflects the company's confidence in their product. A solid warranty paired with reliable customer support means you'll have peace of mind knowing assistance is available if you need it. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many users praise its effectiveness in controlling humidity and preventing musty odors. Some have noted the ease of installation as a real highlight. However, there are a few common concerns, such as the initial investment cost, but most agree it's worth every penny for the results it delivers. In conclusion, the AprilAire E100 Pro Dehumidifier Bundle is a powerful ally in the battle against humidity. With its robust capacity, wide coverage area, and energy efficiency, it addresses moisture issues effectively. Plus, the 5-year warranty and positive customer feedback enhance its reliability. If you're ready to say goodbye to dampness and enjoy a healthier home, consider investing in the AprilAire E100. Check out the link below for more information and to purchase your very own dehumidifier today. Thanks for watching, and take care. Click on the link below to get price.